I made this Dr. K AI chatbot. Dr. K is a psychiatrist who provides his services online. I put all of the data he has ever said online in public domain into this chatbot, and when you ask a question, it's going to scan through all of that data and find the most relevant data, and it's going to craft an answer, and then it's going to generate a voice message with clone Dr. K's voice. So here's what my AI can do. For example, how can I handle family drama without losing my cool?
When dealing with family drama, try to approach it with a clear head, methodically, and remember to process your emotions rather than suppressing them, which can be done through activities like meditation, journaling, or therapy.
So this is completely replicated Dr. K's personality with his voice and all of his information. And the AI is going to scan through information. It's not going to invent answers itself, but scan through what Dr. K has said. I have a bunch of other examples here to show you.
After a rough day, it's important to process your emotions, maybe through therapy, meditation, journaling, or a long walk, and also savor the positive experiences, like going for a walk or thinking about the fun parts of your day, instead of immediately turning to distractions like video games or your phone. When dealing with family drama,
Okay. What are some fun ways to meet new people and make friends as an adult?
engaging in activities you enjoy, like joining a hobby club or volunteering, can be a fun way to meet new people. And remember, every interaction is a win. So practice gratitude for each connection you make.
How can I make exercising a habit without hating it?
Start by recognizing each gym visit as a win, regardless of how you get there, and practice gratitude for every step forward, even if it's just 20 minutes at the gym. It's about reinforcing positivity, not punishment.
How can I manage money worries when switching careers?
Remember, it's okay to be comfortable for a while, but also start taking small steps towards your new career. And as you do, you'll find that your fear and worry about money will start to lessen.
This is the AI that I created that's gonna be able to sell information in somebody's style, personality, and likeness. So if I have a question for Dr. K, for example, I don't need to go and watch 100 hours of his YouTube videos. I can just ask the AI and it's gonna scan through 100 hours of his YouTube videos and return the most relevant answer. This can also work for books, for any kind of data. I'm currently working with businesses to help them sell information in this way.